Giraffes and zebras are two iconic herbivores that roam the African savannas, but they are remarkably different in their physical characteristics, behavior, and roles within the ecosystem. Despite sharing similar habitats, these animals have evolved distinct adaptations that allow them to survive in the same environment. From giraffes' towering height and unique feeding methods to zebras' striking stripes and social structure, each animal offers a fascinating study in the diversity of the African wilderness. Giraffes are the tallest land mammals, with some males growing as high as 18 feet, while females stand around 14 feet tall. Their long necks, which have only 7 vertebrae like most mammals, enable them to browse on leaves high up in trees, particularly acacia trees. This ability to feed on vegetation beyond the reach of most other herbivores gives giraffes a significant advantage in areas with limited food supply. Their height also helps them spot potential predators from a distance, giving them ample time to flee if necessary. Giraffes are peaceful grazers, spending much of their day feeding on leaves, grasses, and fruits. While they have few natural predators due to their size and height, young giraffes can fall prey to lions, hyenas, and leopards. Giraffes are known to be somewhat solitary, although they can form loose herds, usually composed of females and their offspring. Males, especially older bulls, tend to roam alone, only occasionally joining herds for mating purposes. Zebras, on the other hand, are much smaller, with adult zebras standing around 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder. Their most striking feature is their black and white striped coats, which are unique to each individual. While the exact purpose of these stripes remains debated, they are thought to help camouflage zebras in the tall grasses of savannah, confuse predators during a chase, or regulate body temperature. Zebras are social animals, living in groups known as harems, which consist of one male, several females, and their young. The tight-knit group structure helps protect the zebra from predators, as they work together to keep watch and communicate danger. Zebras primarily graze on grasses, but unlike giraffes, they are more ground-oriented feeders, often foraging in large herds that can move together across vast distances. Their primary predators are lions, hyenas, and crocodiles, but zebras' quickness, agility, and strong sense of awareness allow them to evade capture most of the time. Behaviorally, giraffes and zebras differ significantly. Giraffes are generally more solitary and less social than zebras, which thrive in groups. Giraffes' feeding method, reaching high branches, sets them apart from zebras, who primarily graze on lower vegetation. Zebras' social dynamics also contrast with the giraffe's relatively independent lifestyle, with zebras depending on group cooperation to ensure safety from predators. Additionally, zebras' herd mentality is a vital survival mechanism, while giraffes rely on their size, height, and keen eyesight to avoid danger.